Hey everybody, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel. Amanda and I are here in eastern North Carolina at my mom's house. Our business squad room has a pretty big event starting tomorrow through the weekend, and we look forward to this one every year. It's going to be a lot of fun. But it is time for another installment of Now That's Cool. At the recent SCMA Upstate show, another one of the great models that we saw there was that one of Henry Robb's Liverachee. Stick around. Hey guys, I'm here with my brother Henry Robbs. He's got a great build that you have got to see because it's cool. All right, Henry, tell us about the Liverachee piano movers.
This was my USAC build, and it started out as just the 55 panel, and I wanted to incorporate the Liverachee because my wife and I were watching Jack Benny one night, and he had the Liverachee on as a guest, and so I had the kit in my hand, and I'm like, okay, delivery in Liverachee, why don't we make it the Liverachee? And so the trailer came later, and then we added all the jewels, the piano keys, textured the seats, threw a Hemi in there, and added the candelabras. Built the toolbox back there. The pianos are 3D printed with a foam cover and little craft bead wire to make for straps. For bungee cords, I mean. I'm sorry.
Do you have a clue how many beads you put on this thing?
No, it came in a sheet, and I had to layer it one strip at a time.
You hand did this one at a time?
One strip at a time, yes.
Where'd you find the decals?
I made my own decals.
Really?
Yes. I did, I can't think of the name of the program, I'm sorry. But I printed off all my own decals. Now, the carrier film was a little bit thick, but other than that, I think they turned out pretty good.
I would have never thought of the keyboard on the running board. And you were saying his real cars had that on the fenders?
Yes.
That kind of bling stuff?
You can look up Liberace's cars, and you will see that's where I got the inspiration for that. Because when I was looking at pictures of his stuff, it all had the jewels on it. And also on this phone number right here, it says 1-800-88-KEYS. His license plate was 88 keys, and plus there's 88 keys on the piano.
Wow. This was creative and just cool. Sales, service, storage, all brands.
I had to throw the mid-century modern lettering in there.
Yeah. Henry, this is awesome. What a creative mind, and that's what it's all about, and having fun. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
All right, buddy. Take care.